What is up, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we are back at it again here on the Archon for a brand new video back on Skyblock Origins. In today's video, we are going to be doing some more of the gambling as well as doing some stuff with our island. So if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys drop a like. Like I said before, let's go for 60 likes just like the last video. And if we could hit that, that would be super amazing, boys, and I would greatly appreciate it. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Going for 5K by the end of the year, so let's go for that, and let's try and hit that. Also, make sure you guys drop a comment down below, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every time that I upload. And come on the server with me. goble.archonhq.net is the IP. You guys can see it in the top center of your screen throughout the entire video. And also use code GOBLE at checkout on shop.thearchon.net for a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network, and you could use it 2 times for 2 different realms. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys come play with me, and hopefully you guys will enjoy today's video. I'll see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright, guys, so the first thing that we're actually going to do is do such gamble, or such casino, sorry. And we're going to go to the casino. So let's spin our free daily spin. And let's see what we get. So, let's see. And I got okay. Well, let's do such shop. Go ahead and sell these. Let's see how much money we get. 48,000. Oh, I have all these disguises as well, because some guy like dropped them all over the place, so a bunch of disguises there. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go for a coin flip, light blue wool for a million. Let's see. I lost. Yep. Okay. So we're back in. Let's go. I won. Wait, what? I thought it switches over one last time. Okay. I'm gonna go with purple. Or magenta, I should say. I won. Wait, no, I lost. How did I lose 3 times in a row? Alright. Now, this might be stupid, but I'm going all in. I'm going all in. I'm going all in. I'm going all in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Please. Let's go! I won! That happens every time. I lose a bunch over here. That happened last time too, last video. And I just won it all back and more. Perfect. Alright, well, so I'd say we won, what, 7K in profit? I mean, 7 million. So that's pretty good. So now I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and expand my island some. So let's go ahead to ISGO. And let's see. So that's the 1 block. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get some blocks out, though. Let's go ahead and get these blocks out. And let's go ahead and extend this some more, because we do definitely need to make some more extensions. So I'm going to add some more to the island, and I'll bring you guys back once I add all of this around here. And then we'll probably start working on some farms, maybe a house, and stuff like that. I know the 1 block series last time was cut short, but that's because I was supposed to come back and keep uploading. But I did obviously stop uploading, as you guys know. So obviously, if you guys didn't know, I did stop uploading for like a month or so, a little bit longer than a month, almost 2 months, and I'm finally back. So yeah, basically, I'm gonna be uploading here, and 2 more videos on Airedale and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back after I finish placing this. Alright, guys, so I finished placing those down, and one thing I actually want to check out is I think you could fish on here, so such fish. Yeah, so you can actually fish on here. Let's go to the safe lake. Let's go check this out. I believe we did this before on the previous series, one of the previous series that we did. So, that is a villager NPC, but if I do slash fisherman, I think, or slash fisher, fish. Okay, let's see. So yeah, you guys can see friendly fishers to catch different rarities. So if I do slash shop, let's take a look. It says that I'm at the outpost. Slash spawn. Okay, let me do slash shop, and let's go ahead and get, let's see, custom items. I'm trying to find, I do want to find a fishing rod. There we are. And I'm not entirely sure how the entire fishing system works. I don't remember exactly how to do that all, but I'm gonna look around in the spawn a little bit right here. And you could use custom bait to fish up unique fish. So I do need to find out where you get the bait from. Slash fisherman, maybe. Okay. Well, let's do such lakes and let's go to the safe lake. Alright, let's go to the safe lake, check this out, and let's see. So, go to the fishmonger. I don't see him, so it's kind of weird. I'm not entirely sure. I think he's supposed to be right here, but I don't know where he's at. So, we will figure that out. Oh, wait. Oh, they moved him in here. I'm dumb. Okay. Well, let's purchase an old rod. We definitely need an old rod. So let's go to our EC. Okay, well, disposal maybe? Okay, there we go. Let's dispose of this fishing rod. And let's go ahead and buy some bait. So we do need to buy some bait. Let's buy some, I believe you could use, let's see. This, I'm going to use this bait right here. So I'm going to buy 32 of this simple bait. And we're going to go ahead over here, and let's see what the smoker does. Okay, I see. So, we're going to go ahead, and this door is, for some reason, glitched. But, yeah, we're going to go ahead and fish, and I'll bring you guys back once we catch, like, 10 fish or so, because I don't know how much money I'm going to get exactly, but I think I should be getting a lot if it's just like last time that there was fishing, last time that I did fishing. So, yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so I've caught a good amount of fish. I've caught 12 fish, so we're gonna go over here and go ahead and sell them, and we'll see how much money we get. So, let's go sell fish. There we go, 200K. So I did spend 1.3 million so far, and I've made 200K. So, I feel like that's pretty good. It did cost me 300 and something thousand for the 32 bait, and I got 200 and something thousand only from using 12 of them. So it's definitely worth it. It seems like you maybe double your, or yeah, maybe double your money, something around there, kind of like doubling it. It really just depends. You kind of got to get lucky, I'd say. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but yeah, you gotta kind of get lucky, I guess, on get like catching some good fish that are gonna give you a good amount of money. So most of my fish were giving me probably 15K or so. So hopefully we could get some stuff that's better, but of course we do have to get some of those challenges done, and those challenges will allow us to get better fishing rods, and we're probably really going to focus on the fishing a lot. So yeah, basically this title is probably just going to be me, working on all aspects. So basically just me, it's probably going to be something along the lines of getting more progress done overall or something like that. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back with the ending of the video where I'm basically gonna sell some more fish, and then we're gonna end off the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video here. We are gonna sell these 3 fish that we have. Let's try and catch one more really quickly, and then we're gonna go ahead and do that. So if you guys did end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys drop a like. Like I said earlier, let's go for 60 likes on today's video. I really want to try and hit that. That would be a really, really good goal to hit. So, yeah, let's go for 60 likes. If you guys did enjoy today's video, why did I just do that? And also, let's go sell these 3 fish. I'm not going to wait to get another one. Let's go ahead and sell these 3. So, let's go ahead right here. Sell for 54K. There we go. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Shooting for 5K by the end of the year. Make sure that you guys come play the server with me. Goble.archonhq.net is the IP, as you guys should already know, hopefully. But make sure you guys come play with me and use that IP to connect. Also, use code Goble at checkout for a free tier 1 rank on any realm on all of the Archon. And you could use it 2 times to get a free rank. It also supports me and allows me to continue uploading here on the Archon to show them some support and show that you guys want me to keep uploading on here and show them that you want me to keep uploading. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end off today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.